Hey friends, if you wish to fix igfxem.exe application error with the statement the memory could not be read, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the checkdisk scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Type the command chkdsk /r /f. Press Y and hit enter once again. The next solution is to perform a clean boot on your system. So how would we perform a clean boot? Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open it and go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services check, click on disable all, apply, OK, and finally reboot your system. And lastly, run an antivirus scan on your computer. Search for command prompt in the search for Windows security in the Windows search bar. Open Windows security and then go to the virus and threat protection tab. Click on scan options, select full scan, scroll down and click on scan now. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.